Before I get into this video, if you're looking for cheap game keys, check out Instant Gaming. I bought a lot of games from there and they really do have the cheapest prices. Hey, what's up guys, Skewz here. So today we're going to compare Kingston A2000 with Crucial P1. Haven't done any SSD comparisons in a while, so I figured why not do it today. I really struggle to come up with interesting comparisons these days, so if you have any suggestions at all, leave them down in the comment section. Here you can see the specifications of both of mentioned SSDs, and without further ado, let's see the benchmarks. So yeah, A2000 is obviously faster, but P1 is cheaper, so it's a tough one. Both will do their job just fine though. By the way, sorry for a bad upload schedule lately. Like I said, make sure to let me know what comparisons you would like to see and I'll see what I can do. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.